robots can work together.
Roseanne's at BellyBowl with more on what we can expect. Hi again, Roseanne.
Good morning, Natalie and Brian. Well, from the kiosk where you place your order to the kitchen where your food is prepared to the dining room where the servers will bring you your meal, high tech is changing the way we experience restaurants. Here at BellyBowl, we have Stephanie Gong, who's the CEO, and her husband. This is Ivan Williams, the CCO. Thank you for talking to us this morning.
Thank you for coming and see us.
So tell me a little bit about the way robots are changing the experience for people.
Well, we want to make it like a concept where it's a mixture, so we have both of the robots working alongside with the people. So we want a new experience.
Right. And as we say this, we have what is this name of this robot again?
KittyBot.
KittyBot. I keep messing it up. KittyBot bringing our food to us right to the table. What are the reactions of your customers, Stephanie? Step up here.
Yes, that's the robot help us to deliver food or drink for the customers, and let them have the second. Let me show you how it works. There we go.
Excellent.
And so we have, you see, we have two robots delivering here, and then they know each other. They can wait, and the other robot is finished.
So
Oh my gosh, they're coordinating.
Yeah, they take their turns delivering the food.
Oh, that is awesome.
They also have obstacle avoidance, so if anybody walks by them, they will wait for you, and then that way it doesn't cause any harm to anyone. So that's one of the big important things that we have for them.
Oh my goodness! So the benefits of this are obvious in that it helps you, I'm sure, cut down on a lot of the work. How do customers? Well, you said they love this.
Yeah, customers love it. A lot of people, they come in once and then they bring their friends and family, take pictures and photos. So I think it's a very good experience for everyone.
And for people who are worried, oh no, they're taking the human jobs.
I think it initially maybe that was the thing, but now everybody seems that actually it does help. It does help ease the workload on our workers, and also they can focus more on interacting with the customers.
Yes, particularly in the kitchen. A lot of that is really hard work, and you got the computers helping out.
Yeah, the cooking part, yeah, it does, especially when we have big portions or multiple dishes. We can program the cooking robots to have like five dishes at once. So then that way it eases the cooking part.
And you guys are also distributors, so restaurants all around the city are starting to use this technology.
Yes, we're in over 30 states. We started as restaurant owners during COVID. We were having difficulty keeping a lot of the staff. So once we started using robots, we kind of became experts at this, and that's when we started. Hey, why don't we start a distribution company? And then that's how we grew into different states.
Well, KittyBot's been doing a great job, but Stephanie, you tell me I don't have to tip him.
Oh yes, we do want customers come here to enjoy it, have nice space to sit down and study and talking, and then but they don't need to pay extra tip for but we still have good service, like if they need help, we're always there.
Oh, I don't know, that's like when you're used to tipping, it's hard. I'm going to give money to KittyBot over here. He's been giving us great service all morning. We could do a whole nother segment on the food and drinks here. Oh my goodness, does it look great. Thank you so much for having us this morning. BellyBowl, everybody in Bridgeport. Back to you guys.
BellyBowl with some super big portions.
Yeah, I like that. I was just thinking of things at home I could have that robot do, like fold clothes.
Sure, right.
Yeah, I would like that.